Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm going to talk about Rahu aspecting the Neech Bhang Rajyog. By that I mean Rahu aspecting Saturn and Jupiter, which are in the house of Capricorn. Saturn and Jupiter are in conjunction in the house of Capricorn, and Rahu is aspecting both the planets. It is aspecting the Neech Bhang Rajyog. Saturn and Jupiter in the Capricorn sign is considered a Neech Bhang Rajyog, and Rahu is aspecting it. Rahu is giving its ninth aspect on this Neech Bhang Rajyog. So the question here is, will Rahu be beneficial for this yoga? Will Rahu be benefiting this Neech Bhang Rajyog? So let me just elaborate on this. Rahu currently is transiting in the sign of Taurus, and it is in its exalted sign, and Saturn is in its own house, forming a Sasha Yoga. And Jupiter and Saturn in conjunction are forming a Neech Bhang Rajyog. So the point which I want to make to y'all is that you will have to go through something to get to something. By that I mean you will have to work hard, because Saturn represents hard work and Rahu is going to give power to Saturn, because Rahu is considered a friend of Saturn. So it is gonna increase your hard work, but ultimately your hard work is gonna pay you off. It is gonna pay you off in the future. You must have seen that if you want to make jewelry out of gold, then that gold has to pass through a lot of heat. It has to be melted at a high temperature before it becomes a jewelry. And only after passing through that heat, that high temperature, the metal gold is in a position to become a jewelry. And only after it becomes a jewelry, it is going to be displayed in that showcase by that jeweler. So in order to become a jewelry, the metal gold has to bear the high temperature. It has to endure a lot of heat before it becomes a jewelry. By that same token, we human beings also have to endure a lot of pain and agony, a lot of hard work, a lot of discipline is needed if we have to reach a certain position in our life, if we have to achieve our goals and dreams. And this Rahu's aspect on Saturn will ensure that. Similarly, a person who wants to become fit, who wants to become healthy, he has to go to the gym. He has to work out. He has to do the necessary exercises. He has to do the push-ups, the squats, etc., etc., etc. And only then he becomes healthy and his body comes into the shape he desires for. So nothing comes without hard work. So similarly, this particular Rahu aspecting Saturn and the Neech Bhang Rajyog will make you work hard. And if you work hard, I am certain that this will reward you in the future. So a very, very positive aspect of Rahu on Saturn and Jupiter, I would say. The planet Jupiter represents wisdom, and Rahu aspecting the planet Jupiter will make you work hard wisely. It will ensure that you work hard intelligently. It will make sure that your hard work doesn't go a waste. Though some people may tell you that Jupiter and Rahu are enemies between them, but sometimes in life, an enemy teaches you something which a friend will never be able to. So my basic point here is, to get to something, you have to go through something. To achieve something, you have to go through something. And if you are not willing to work hard at this point in time, then I want to tell y'all that it will be difficult for you to succeed in life. It will be difficult for you to achieve things in life, because Rahu aspecting Saturn will want you to work hard. And I want to tell you all that all the zodiac signs need to work hard during this time. And only then the planet Saturn, which is in its own house, will give you the results. Only if you struggle, only if you work hard, only if you go through the pains and tribulations, the trials of life during this time, you will achieve your goals and dreams. Otherwise, I want to tell you all, it will be very difficult for you all. So, make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort towards your goals and dreams. Make a deliberate, conscious and a determined effort to work hard in life. And this aspect of Rahu on Saturn will benefit you in the long run. Well, this is what I want to tell you all about Rahu's aspect on the Neej Bhang Raj Yoga. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves. And if you want a lot of money, richness, prosperity, success, tranquility, calmness, peace, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.